Asem yidiko, asem yidika. Asem yidiko, asem yidika. Inabeka. Akwesi insia. Commander 6. Karo said it here.
Baby, I'm a catch of said in Ukraine, Yame Sumgana Honto. Uboni dear cross never can yajuan penny for some numbers from you sweat tea. A superm, no two animal. And then bring you cry. And I just in the poso. Make sure be here what Jibre now worship Badwam on Adom TV. Live on DSTV channel 280, Go TV channel 119. Multi TV channels here live and so on Samsung na Facebook Adom TV Extra ko YouTube search for Adom TV yes to be live or share mo binya binhwe Asem wa ha na make out say Adepam season 3 no ejebo Anaba betru final mu na ye wey we started with 16 reps from 16 regions. And now I'm not say, Biya what free mu in a grand style. Because you be suya ye, you be chere no. What you say, bebre ti fi omusu suya. But because say, the near nipa baku mienu miensem de bo mabasunti no. De o se biko ne bikem. And he said, me no eka say, I can pensia from 6 regions who are going to slot it out on a final day. Make out say, koso ne voti. Odishie eomua. Koso ne voti. Mambi eda sujinemu. For Bono region. Ojinemu den enya de ketu akura. Ojinemu den. Sanso ena JK from Central region. Papa Taylor from Ashanti region. Helen from Upper East. Lauricia from Bono region. Caesars and others and so free. Okay. One of them JK from Central region. Mabi representing Bono East. Papa Taylor from Ashanti region. Helen from Upper East. Na Lauricia from Bono region. Caesars the man from the Western region. And so Ejinemu. Etinipensia representing 6 regions. They say called the grand finale. Cause no vote. Why? Vote. Emma Nipa. Ufi say onko. Na owini Adepam season 3 for 2023 edition. Na meka say instrument so eta to meka wasem e da chiro later. Ano pa meti obi bia wagibre na ohwe me de akosinsin asem de kabre e na asoin. Wo asantima ponso ampacho team ne tie 26 years revive ampon biem. 26 December, ye friend reviver, ye revive Asante Mampombro nyani biem. But nana say ampo for J band. Kechre kwame apia so giremu. Oh, social center na do dan kwaku for the bano estima e hye na ma me nyam mampon no. 26 ye nyina nhia ho no. Na ho na ye di 26 December no. Ye revive no say ye ka 26 December dia eno ane Asante Mampon. Ye revive ni biem. Ye share 26 December. Anapa ma sem nye cheda enwa bia because baby asem ni free ba no eye bibibi. Enra na krata be to dwa krata ni nyina enie. On official letterhead of Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams. Krata on the 12th of October 2023. To His Excellency Nana Adom Kwaku the Golden Jubilee House, Accra, Ghana. Enti letter muwa ene me bobo nsem bi fuafuafuafua. Ne mo krata na sibwa nyina nsa nyo no kwa na sa krata yi. Oni Reverend Eastwood Anaba. You are president of Eastwood Anaba Ministries. Omo krata na sibwa nyina ne say ye do mo kan National Cathedral Board of Trustees ne ho. But nyema bi ekoso wani enye ho. Sebi penesi ni mo santimu a etetontoma won tenase ma ni mo tete wontoma. And it's a one from January 2023 no make ma penny say yenya auditing of National Cathedral accounts. Ni ehwe sika do a Ghana ban dia wuram any how far says kano aye adwuma o project na abampedefo eye no omsifo be pem no wonte mampanin ka biem and tia asem yom kan 1 2 3 paragraph 3 what's it I'm starting free. We honorably assure you, as we assure the Board of Trustees in January 2023, with the submission of a resolution that our action in no way impugns the vision or intent of the National Cathedral, but rather ensures that it is advanced and built on a foundation of integrity. 1. Efficiency. 2. And quality. Nina so say ye auditing of National Cathedral account. Eti amankofo e kikansem. Ye to the bia e affect on one kasa so. Ba quickly hwade wa National Cathedral Secretariat is so responded. But let's last one cry. We were breaking his mouth. Woman family court National Cathedral for response also. Much low. We let away, yeah, die. Spedica catcher said, Reverend Eastwood Anaba, any Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams say, I buy anya auditing of National Cathedral accounting tea. Omonte she about say, yeah, auditing one National Cathedral account in January 2023. No, and it's a match on one. This is a breaking news to you. Where Deloitte, or your auditing firm, we are self for the Yaman for the Mopa. Or Mona National Cathedral for contract to say, or Munya auditing of National Cathedral account. Shade way 17th March 2023. This is barely 2 months after Sir Reverend Eastwood Anaba and the Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams every concern say, yeah, auditing National Cathedral account. And this is a letter from Deloitte to the Executive Director, National Cathedral. Admit is so much like a contract that you say, or Mumma auditing. Eti Shadia, or see, dear sir or madam, audit appointment, engagement letter to National Cathedral of Ghana. We appreciate the opportunity to service to National Cathedral of Ghana. We are committed to providing you with high-quality professional services in an efficient and timely manner. And that is the scope of the audit. You have requested that we audit the financial statement of National Cathedral of Ghana, which complete the statement of financial position as at December 2020 to 2023. Eti wey Excel say auditing na benfoka wasem no. Ye di ama contract jaman for ye ho adwuma as of 17th March 2023. Let's have a letter to Mame call National Cathedral for Ekratane so. And this is a letter from National Cathedral, a response to Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams and Reverend Eastwood Anaba. Mame paragraph require. Okay, Mamra. Or see, following this, the engagement letter for Deloitte to officially begin the audit was drafted and signed by Deloitte on March 27, 2023, and set up on their system on May 17, 2023. So March Bosumina, Yamutre Krata command Deloitte for say, Muni appoint mu say, Mumra number audit National Cathedral and Kratano. On 27th March, 10 days after, and then perform more etna sinomu a drafted bibia no more sign bibia won't be. Now, on May 17th, barely another 2 months after signing the agreement between National Cathedral Secretariat and Deloitte, and Deloitte for the two almost systems to say they are going to audit National Cathedral and Asem from 2020 to 2023. This is what I say. So now, Mame Franco back to Deloitte for Kratano. At the National Cathedral, no more cases to people, Kratano Babonte say, Asem Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams ene Reverend Eastwood Anaba de beto dwa no eye draw eye kontompo but for me man for Deloitte for letter ni sanchiro bi na me chiro ade o Deloitte for krata na mpanifo omo twede koma National Cathedral Secretariat no Deloitte I mean fan ko Deloitte for no yes Shadewa Charlotte Forson Abbey will be responsible for the services that we perform for the company, and Isaac Odoi will be the audit manager. Charlotte Forson Abbey will, as she considers necessary, call on other individuals with specialized knowledge, either in this office or elsewhere in our firm, to assist in the performance of our services. Crataway shared the responsibilities of the auditors over the next paragraph now. So a child say, as of Enrayana Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams, and then Reverend Eastwood Anaba, Eddie Asem Tuja actually said, Omo resign because yenye National Cathedral auditing. No. Na auditing, I started da. But you see, I'm not interested in the back and forth. The back and forth. Me say Ghana ni bia nso ni je ho. And it's so sad. See abedu we be adri as oman. Areho asefem. Se baby ababedu ya babedu ni sa. Baby ababedu. Ya babedu ni sa. For National Cathedral Secretary, we crata back and no me stop baby am konya sa crata we di free ya nkra bedwiro. And this is a letter confirming, say, you have not Deloitte for contract. And this is the acceptance letter. Indicating so Musaka a Jumano, no more than Penfoso say. Because Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams and the Reverend Eastwood Anaba, every concern in this beginning of this year. No, and Penfoso to go say, but they call for say, you have an independent auditor, and it's an independent auditor, Deloitte. Deloitte, an independent auditor. And this is Deloitte acceptance letter. A letter, yeah, I'm hearing say, yes, spread it across, but I'm all board members. Obiasa can be. I'm in presidency. Equita this letter. And a letter from the secretariat to Deloitte, appointing them. And I give him the offer, no, and so Obiasa Yahweh. I am here. Say National Cathedral Secretariat and no can CP. Say Reverend Eastwood Anaba and Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams claims no a force. Omodin draw. This according to National Cathedral Secretariat. And you see, baby and namno true. Mr. President Adom Kwaku-Fado. Maybe, just maybe, he should have limited himself to the promise he made to God. Maybe. Because now the engineer say nyame boam na se midi mampani a ma forebo a me boam se me si asore dan de ma wasa frade. Maybe in kasa portion mampani o concern ya o kan no no a e kan koye oman asem na oman sike ba be because President Kufuor say o kra o gina bonte ka che Ghana for say o pe kapre ne sempoa e de aboa o project bi say Ghana for be support without a penny from government coffers. National Cathedral won some outdoors. And near SC, I'm telling you, say, after even the auditing, people are still going to have doubt. Because me sure na make say, I saw for best a 9 and I resign. I try on the free. Attorney General no say other responsibilities in on to me and to us. I think Mr. President maybe about do no refer the National Cathedral project to Parliament. Let's establish it. Say ye Ghana Japadi eti Ghana bohoka. Umi ko ye sa. Why? Na sa nti washuka sa bebrebe ni nyina eto ntimi ntwa. O kire beto aso. Me dey akwasi sia. Make us that aye krado ewo ashalebotwe. So aka to say ya wada bi adura the People's Forum. Yes, say yenkuku ni enkaka ba won chen say afire ni nie ka wasem fa kira ban panifo. And I say uti amafo kam wo makwan sam say ashalebotwe so makwan. enso nsem daakye na na ya asante ayekra na na die na ahyɛ botwefo e ka de ahyɛ Ghana de hye